You won't believe it, this YouTube channel has only been running for 5 months and has already gained 150,000 new subscribers, earning over $10,000 a month with ease. Plus, all of their videos have tens of thousands of views. If you take a closer look, you'll notice that these videos are all created using AI. The unbelievable part? It only takes about half an hour to make each one. Trust me, because we're about to reveal exactly how these AI videos are made and how they're earning thousands of dollars. Buckle up, we're about to dive in. We'll be using a lot of AI tools along the way. Don't worry, they're all free, and we've included the links in the video description below. All you need to do is follow our step-by-step guide. Step 1. Write a script. First, you'll need to write a story script, which will be the foundation of your video. You can use ChatGPT to help you or write one yourself. It's a good idea to try a few versions to pick the best one. Also, don't make your prompts too simple, like write a funny story script. That's too generic and might lead to similar content, putting your YouTube channel at risk. To keep things original, add your own twist. For example, write a story about an orange kitten and a husky puppy going to school, with friendly dialogue and a strong narrative. Include scene prompts to make it easier to create images and videos later. After you enter the prompt, ChatGPT will generate a unique story, complete with scene prompts. Now, you can use this story to create your video. Step 2. Generate images. Next, open Ideogram AI, an image generator. Of course, you can use any image generator as long as you're happy with the results. Paste each scene's prompt into the input box, choose a 3D animation style, and set the aspect ratio to 16:9. You can also add extra details to enhance the outcome. One thing we love about Ideogram AI is that it generates 4 similar images at once, making it easy to choose and download your favorite ones. Step 3. Turn images into video. Now, you can use Hailuo AI developed by Minimax. In our last video, we compared several AI video generators and found that Hailuo AI is the best for personal use. Upload the images you downloaded into Hailuo AI. You can design camera movements for each scene or just let the AI do it automatically. All you need to do is wait a few minutes, and look at that, the final product looks amazing. Step 4. Turn the story into voiceover. Now that the video is ready, it's time to handle the voiceover. Copy the dialogue from the ChatGPT-generated story and paste it into a voiceover tool. We use 11labs, a powerful AI voice generator. It gives you 10,000 characters for free, which is plenty. Choose a suitable voice, click Generate.
I can't believe today is the day, Luna. Our first day of school.
And then download the audio. Step 5. Merge voiceover and video. To merge the voiceover with the video, use CapCut for video editing. It's powerful and easy to use. Import all your video clips and audio, making sure everything lines up perfectly. Don't forget to add subtitles and background music to boost the viewer's experience. Once everything's in place, export your video in up to 4K resolution. Step 6. Upload to your YouTube channel. Now that your video is ready, upload it to your YouTube channel. Once your views meet the monetization criteria, you'll start earning from YouTube's ad revenue. The process is simple. Click the Create button in the upper right corner, upload your exported video, and edit the title and description. If you're unsure about what to write, don't worry. Use ChatGPT to generate it for you. It's super easy. And that's it. Using these AI tools, you too can create a YouTube channel and earn thousands of dollars with smart strategies. Stick with it, and you'll definitely succeed. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or know of any useful AI tools, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more awesome content.